Hi, good evening student. Today I am going to do paper 2025 Feb March spreadsheet. Okay, so let's start. Now in the task 4 they give us the detail about the task what we have to do. You will edit a spreadsheet to calculate the surface area of a wall in a room. Open and examine the file m25 calculator.csv. All right, so we'll go to our support file folder and we'll open our file. Okay, here is the file. Yep, bingo, we got it now. Yeah, first, as I told you in the previous paper, please organize your sheet. Try to arrange the data in order. Then place left align in the header the text created by followed by a space, then your name, center number and candidate number. Left align as a header, so we will go to insert, header and footer. Okay, and then in header left align created by your name ABC underscore, center number IN123 and the candidate number 1234. All right, done. So next, is there anything? Yeah, nothing. So now place a right align in the header created on followed by space the automated date, a space, then a text at followed by space, then an automated time. Okay, so in the right align we will click on header and footer. Now the date, today's date, we will use the current date. Okay, space and then the current time. Yep, done. We're done with. So now we got our name, center number, candidate number in the footer and the date and time. Okay, so save this spreadsheet as a M25 area followed by your name, center number and candidate number. Okay, file, save as. Okay, we in the confidential file we will go, and then as I told you, they ask us to put it as an area. Okay, M25 area underscore name ABC underscore center number IN123 and the candidate number 1234. All right, now in the previous video I show you how to change the format, which is very important. So the thing is, the file will be given in a comma separated value, which is comma delimited. Now we have to change the format to Excel workbook, which is important. So now we change. Now we'll go back to the normal view and we will arrange our data one more time. Next, okay, insert a new row between 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2, insert a new row. So I'm done. One new row. Okay, in the new row 2, enter the text. All dimensions are in meter. Okay, so right click, paste the content. Yep, you need to type all dimensions are in meter. Done. Okay, merge the cell A1 to B1, A1 to B1, merge. Format the merged cell with a white 24-point sans serif font. Okay, so font should be white and 24. All right, sans serif means, I hope you guys remember last video I told you sans serif is Arial, serif is Times New Roman. Arial, enter. Okay, with a black background, we have a paint bucket, black background. Okay, done. Merge the cell, done. Format the spreadsheet so this will be look like this. All right, so now see, if you see here, I think it is we can use the text wrap. Okay, so now let us arrange the data so that our document will also look like this. Okay, so now the thing is, something interesting here. The text is in middle align. So now we'll align to the middle of the cell. Yes, and all dimension also we need to match it. Yep, and then bold. Control B. Done. Okay, so all the data is right align. Okay, so right align. Okay, content of this cell, numerical data should be center align. Okay, all right, done. So wow, so it's quite similar. Let me zoom out, so I hope you can see here. Yes, we did it. So now it also contain a border, table border. Okay, so we'll put border. So grid lines. Yeah, done. With the border, more border, and we will use this, and then okay, done. So next, place in a cell B12 a validation rule to restrict the data entry. Interesting. Okay, so now in B12, we have to put a data restriction. So I will go here in B12. Okay, they already gave us the text to only, the data should be visible either yes or no. All right, the data must be selected from the drop down list. Okay, now no other data must be allowed, means the data restriction. All right, and it also in your evidence file show the screenshot showing the validation rule including and validation criteria. Okay, all right, we will do it now. So to do this task, data restriction, students, please remember we always use data option in spreadsheet, and then we will use the function called data validation. Okay, so now in data validation they are asking us to choose the list. I choose the list. Okay, so first is yes comma no. Okay, this is the data they would like to see. Okay, but now they also ask us to put the validation rule. Okay, so now what is that? You can enter yes or no. Okay, this is the only data you can enter because your data got restricted with these two values of the list. Okay, I copy this data because I would like also to show an error message for the data verification. If you type any data except yes or no, it will give you an error message called enter yes or no. Press OK. So now see student, I would like you to pay attention here. So if I click here, so I hope you can see this. Okay, a small pop-up box we can see below the filter option, yes or no, enter yes or no. Okay, so I can choose yes or no. Okay, so now take a screenshot, place in your evidence file. So I would like you to take the screenshot of this and paste in your evidence file. Done. Yep. So let's go move to the next question. Delete the row 16, 17 and 19. Okay, so now I have 16, 17 and 19. I select the row, right click and delete. Okay, we delete the row also. Fine. Okay, interesting part. Now here, then question number 16, place in a cell B16 a formula to calculate the area of ceiling. Area is equal to, they gave us a formula, something like, related to math we are going to do today in our Excel spreadsheet. Okay, area is equal to room length into room width. Okay, all right, so this is a little bit like, a big formula which we are going to use it. Okay, so now let us see the criteria here. In place in B17 a formula to calculate the area of the wall. So please here you need to understand, first we need to find out the area. First we need to find out the area, and then if the window is present, means if the window is present, if it is yes, then we also need to add to the area of the wall within the same formula. Again, we have to add one more formula to complete this question number 17, and this will give you total 11 marks. Excellent. So let's try to do it. So yeah, so what I will do to make sure that you can easily able to understand, we will go to Excel. I will reduce the size. Okay, in B17 here. So this part, instead of sharing a window, okay, this is also fine for you guys. Okay, so I will do a multiple, yeah, window share here. Done. Now in, let's do it. Okay, so in B17 equals to, okay, now let us check the formula here. Okay, in B17, let me reduce a little bit the size of Excel so that I can able to use all the functions and formulas and values also in the given cell. Okay, now let us do this question. Okay, area is equal to, okay, plastering area ceiling is equals to room height. We have room height, which is B4 into asterisk, okay, and then 2, okay, here if you see here 2 into room length. Okay, room length is in bracket. I open the bracket, room length plus room width. Okay, so I am going to use room width. All right. Okay, now close the bracket, minus door height, open the bracket, door height into, okay, straight, and then door width. I have door height, I got B8, and then door width. Okay, close the bracket, again plus we have now here, we are here, reveal the depth. Okay, plus reveal depth, where is it? Here in B10, reveal depth into, okay, into again straight, open the bracket, door height, sorry, 2 into, again 2 into door height. We have door height plus door width, and close the bracket and enter. Okay, so we found the typo of the formula, try to correct. Okay, so we close it. Yeah, it is done. So the error was like, we at the beginning we did not put open the bracket, so by default in Excel it will take, no worries. So this is the value we got. Okay, now here we solve the first part of this question 17. But here if you see, they ask us to, if the window is present, means here, okay, if B12 is yes, here they are saying if it is yes, if it is present, then add this value within the same formula. We are not going to change the formula, the same formula we are going to use, and adding this value. Okay, fine. So now to go ahead, I hope you can see in the question paper. Let me maximize this. Okay, so now if you see the if, now here we are going to use the boolean function if. Okay, the if function we are going to use and try to solve this paper. Now, so let me reduce the size again. I hope it is clear for you guys. I hope you can able to see the question paper also. Now to do this, I will copy this formula. Okay, why I'm copying you, I will tell you in detail, don't worry at all. Okay, enter. So now here I would like to put the formula here. Okay, so the what formula we did and what we got. Okay, so yes, this is the values. Now I'm going to use an if function. So let me delete or remove or cut, Control X. Okay, now equal to, now I'm going to do this part. If the window is present, if the window, where is window? Okay, so now we have here in B12, if the window, okay, so now if if the window is present, okay, let me, sorry, let me maximize this Excel sheet so that you can see more clearly. This is little logical, you know, question they gave us. Okay, so yeah, I hope this is fine. If window is present equal to S, if the window is present, if it is yes, then comma, okay, if the window is present, so I'm going to open this function here. Okay, we will put all the functions here so that it is more visible and clear for you. If it is yes, then my previous value, okay, which is there. Okay, so now I will paste here, Control V. Okay, if it is there, then this is the value. Okay, this value plus this value plus, okay, this value plus again. Now again, reveal depth, this value plus reveal depth, okay, plus reveal depth, and then into open the bracket, 2 into again straight window height plus window width. I have window height, okay, here, window height, okay, window height plus window width, 2 into window height plus window width, close the bracket. Now here window height and window width is done, reveal depth into 2 into window height plus window width minus window height into windows width. Okay, I open again. Now I have window height into straight and window width, yeah, and close this. Okay, so now what does it mean? If the window is there, means if the window's value is yes, then it will take this value. Then what if it is not there? Means if it is false, then if it is false, I would like to put the same formula, okay, the beginning what we put. Okay, if it is not there, then we are saying, okay, so see here, if the window is present, add this to this area. If not, then take the default value which we got from the first expression. Now let us see whether we can able to run this function. Bingo, yes. See, if it is no, it is taking the same value. Let's change to yes, okay, and adding some value here. Just I'm doing a data testing for you to explain this formula in detail, so it will change the value, right? Got it? I hope you can see this. Again, one more time, I put it as a 5 and enter, it changed the value. Okay, so now again one more time I'm explaining you this question, please try to understand. So now here in B17, they ask us in B17 a formula to calculate the area of the wall. The area of the wall is this. If the window is present, they put up a one more criteria, you need to add this value also. So now here you can see, okay, let me show you. I hope you guys remember I told you control plus tilde key. The function is control plus tilde key to see the formula view of our spreadsheet. So yes, here is the formula view. Yes, if it is yes, then take this value into the add-on value. Okay, if it is not there, then take the same value. Okay, clear? Control plus tilde key. All right, so now control plus tilde key to the normal view. So now here I don't need this, I delete. Okay, let me rearrange my data so that each and every data is properly set into the given width. Okay, all right, done. So now here we got this value. Perfect. Next, this is done. B17 is done. Now print your spreadsheet showing the formula. Make sure printout is in landscape orientation. So let me show you. Control P. Okay, Control P is the shortcut command you can use to print out. Row and column headings are displayed. Okay, as I show you in the previous paper, Okay, you need to go on page setup, click on sheet and click on okay row and column headings and press OK. So here you got it, row and column. Content of the cell are fully visible. Yes, it is visible. You can able to see. If you want to enlarge, you can maximize. It is done. But if you want to put it 120 also is fine. No problem. Okay, it can be seen more visible. Okay, it will be more visible for you. Now we're done with this question. Print out the spreadsheet showing the values. Okay, I hope you guys remember. Okay, this is the value. Okay, control P and you can take print out. First print out. Okay, fit in a single page. Setup. Click on fit in a single page. Press OK. Done. Print out in a portrait. Okay, so here you can see it is a portrait. Already it is portrait. A row and column heading are not displayed. Okay, second printout we are taking, it should not be visible here. So row and column heading, I remove the row and column heading here with row and column, here without row and column. Content of all cell fully visible. Yes, it is fully visible. Okay, fine, done. So we finished this question too. Okay, I hope you enjoy this session. Okay, we successfully completed our 2025 Feb March series paper data analysis, which is spreadsheets. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. More videos I'm going to upload. Okay, I hope you enjoy.